Autumn leaves rustle under the crunch of a hiking boot.
Wind blows furiously on a festive winter evening.
The Amazon rainforest hums and stirs.
Waterfalls gush. Pedestrians converse loudly, interrupted by traffic.
The irritating click on a clock.
The whistle in a pressure cooker. The ocean crashes into the seashore.
The tap of a keyboard.
The neighbourhood ice cream man's jingle.
The shrill of a drill on a construction site.
The rev in the engine of a motorbike.
Psychoacoustics disturb the human brain. Ungrounded, uneasy. Microscopic vibrations of little consequence until pressure builds, resonating and ripping apart, crumbling from the inside.
Pacemakers skip heartbeats. A jet fighter with zero concern. Casualties of shockwaves. The unseen explosion. Energy moves at unglimpsable speed. Fragile eardrums shatter.
Bridges fall. Buildings collapse. Destruction surrounds. Communities gasp. Mayhem unravelled. No mercy.
Torture in Guantanamo. Heavy metal frequencies. Sound bombs used to disperse youth on Earth. Frequencies disjointed. A volume unregistered to man. Some sounds human ears can't catch.
Beyond our five senses, challenging human arrogance, questioning the notion of the unseen. Worlds beyond the wonders in a rainbow. Ultraviolet, infrared, animal eyes bear witness.
Humans unable to comprehend, devaluing what's invisible to us all. Vision always the focus, sound unappreciated by man, the superior sense overlooked.
Denying the full cinematic experience, ignoring journeys collated with sound, a universe to explore, infinite blessings for those with superhuman hearing.
Ultra-low frequencies, a pitch human ears can't fathom. Scientists speed playback to unmute the pitch for our ears. Sonifications, whistles and crunches, ears see before our eyes. Space around our planet filled with plasma, far from empty, a cacophony.
A string under tension, magnetosphere, a resonating chamber. Solar winds control the size. Magic frequencies, constantly changing, retuning. The most complex of instruments. Composer and guitarist, a mystery. Magnetic bubbles, protection from space radiation. But sounds rain down upon us. Space weather 100 years behind, expanding to translate invisible weather in space.
Men of faith believe in jinn yet turn their head away when scientists explain, when they explore further than what meets the eye. In God's universe.
In this never-ending discovery of its music, this intricately expressive universe.
If space plasma physicists met with aliens, conversations they could have could span the spectra of language, conversing coyly with gestures, not words.
But communication between planets, the size of a human, difficult to explain, a meter, unfathomable, pondering on a shared metric. Universal laws, conversing in the language of atoms, physics and maths, the metronome.
Aliens and humans made of the same star stuff. Electrons in atoms, an atomic scale resonate, electromagnetic radiator, chords in a voice box, the chime in a pendulum.
Tuned circuits in radio, the same interstellar station plays. Oscillations and waves recognised from a distance, forming languages unspoken yet felt.
The knowledge of a space scientist, decoded in libraries full of physics books.
How many who admire the 100 billion stars and euphoric moon?
Celestial bodies, planets, comets and meteors?
How many intrigued by musical compositions?
How many pick up a maths or physics book, further their knowledge of the universe's vibrations?
Will they remember waves in space when they pluck on a guitar string?
When the camel's skin on their drum vibrates?
Will they only admire musical composers? Will they make the correlation?
Telescopic endurance.
What you just watched was a short film called Beyond Visible Noise by the filmmaker Peter Fellows, which was set to a spoken word track that I collaborated with the poet Sharifa Energy on. This was all the outcome of the Experimental Words project. If you want to find out more about it, check the links in the description. And if you want to know a little bit more about how the whole process went, there's another video on this channel.